Wehrs class coming up Tuesday. Getting rolling on the trophies here. AFCO sends us the shocks, so we gotta take them apart. We take the normal com bearings out of the shocks and we put these solid bushings that we machine in because the Heims can't rotate or the trophy will just sit there and wobble. Shaft, so. Up or down? The question is, who will be your 2023 modified champion?
Finished hot laps here tonight. Drivers meeting is just getting wrapped up back pit side. The 32nd annual Harris Clash getting set to commence.
Freezing Performance IMCA Modifieds, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Green flag for heat number 1.
Watch them fire down the front straightaway at the Deer Creek Speedway. Out of turn 4, boy, it got tight there amongst your top two. Hansen had to dance the car to keep it off of Garso.
Johnson with a wicked slider there to take over the second spot from Hansen as they go down to turn 1. Hansen going to fire back to the inside. They're side by side for second with Mullen behind them in the 72.
Will Garso out of Wisconsin pretty well having his way with this one. Hansen will be second, Aaron Johnson third, Mullen and Barry the rest of the top 5. In the Wehrs machine, race of champions, be $1,000 to win, $100 to start, dash for cash. We come to green, and Gustin with a good run. Daly up into the top 3, and it is Richie Gustin going to lead lap number 1. Richie Gustin will win his 3rd race of champions. Race fans, how about a hand? Richie Gustin winning the Wehrs machine race of champions here tonight.
Yeah, the draw helped me there. There was good cars in it. I was happy to get a win of any kind, especially when it comes down to the Wehrs dash or the Clash. Chad's always been good to me, and he makes the best parts money can buy. So I'm just happy to be staying in here, that's for sure.
And your Speedworks and Trelo Company's Championship A-Main. Tracy is forming up right now in the back straightaway. We will come to green the next time on a Turn 4. Those drivers and many more are going to try and etch their name into the history book in the Harris Clash. The 32nd annual Sport Mod A-Main underway. Cam Reimer's out in front. Things certainly clicking very well. Joe Dosicle is now up into the top two. We only got 2 laps to go and a sizable advantage over Loaf. Reimer's your leader in the back straightaway. Ladies and gentlemen, on a turn number 4, he will win the 2023 Harris Clash. Cam Reimer's a win at Deer Creek Speedway. He'll hop out of the car. He can hear you now. How about a hand? Cam Reimer's in Harris Clash victory lane.
Really good. I just haven't made the right changes all the time, but we're getting it so dialed right now. This deal's so tough to win. I mean, you don't see very many repeat winners. You got to be lucky, and then you got to kick ass when you get lucky. So we got lucky with some good draws today. I don't feel guilty about all of them. We've been drawing pretty bad all year, so I'll take this at one of the biggest races for sport mods and modifieds, and just thank all the guys at BHE. Pretty cool to do this in one of their cars. There's no slouches when you look down the past winners of this, so it kind of solidifies that we are a really good circle track team, so I'm excited.
How about a hand? Cam Reimer's winning here tonight. Caution lights down in the back straightaway. Cody Laney, the driver, that is going to set the pace into the restart zone. The 2 cones at the bottom of turn number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, here tonight, the Harris Clash. Time to light it up. Here we go. Cody Laney with the jump. Becerra up into the top 4. Major slides into 3rd at Beckendorf. Trying to roll the outside right now in the 5 car. A pair of 5s pacing the field as we go to turns 1 and 2. Austin Becerra, the 22 3rd, and he might have 2nd by the time we get to the max straightaway. Eddie Bellick, look at him upstairs. Hobscheit on the bottom in the 0-1. Hobscheit 5th, Bellick 4th, looking for a top 3 run here right now as Hobscheit rolling the inside. 4 wide is Tim Ward. You give Tim Ward a smooth, slick track and among other types of speedways, and he's going to find a way to march his way to the front. Was 6th the last time at the line, and he might be able to wrestle the top 5 away. He will do so. Ward was able to get him to move off the top, and now Tim Ward, your new leader on the back straightaway. Wow, Beckendorf right now regretting, I think, his move off the top. Ladies and gentlemen, our 6th different winner at Deer Creek. Tim Ward will win the 2023 Harris Clash. Ward will win, Beckendorf 2nd, Austin Becerra in 3rd, Eddie Bellick 4th, Hobscheit 5th, then Laney, Barnes, Grabowski, Gaylord, and Benji Lacrosse. The top 10. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a hand, your Harris Clash champion? It is Tim Ward in victory lane. Once you got going, got a few laps under, then you really started rolling there on the bottom side of the speedway. You got to 2nd. Man, did you work to get to Beckendorf?
Yeah, I was a little tight early, and that early yellow, I was excited for that just because I needed to burn some more fuel off and track dry up a little bit more for me. I was just a little tight early, and yeah, I just can't believe it. I mean, shoot, I wasn't sure how good I was early, and Beckendorf was really good gone, and man, it worked out, and he moved to the bottom, and it allowed me to blast the top, and that's where the car was good at. So.
Tim Ward, how about a hand for your IMCA Modified champion here tonight at the 32nd Annual Deer Creek Speedway. He will win. This is Chad Meyer for the Deer Creek Speedway, the Harris Clash, and everybody involved. Please be safe heading home, and good night, everybody.